Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Yemizkitchen. My name is Yemi. Today I'm going to be making habanero mango pepper sauce. Okay, and the ingredient you're going to need for this sauce is habanero itself in two different colors. That's what I have at home. It's winter time and we don't have this in the market. My arrays of mangoes have been chopped. I got 2 mangoes. They've been chopped. 2 different kind of mangoes right here. A carrot. 10 pieces of garlic or cloves of garlic, and medium white onion. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half a cup of sugar, half a cup of apple cider, and that's all I'm gonna need, and some water for this habanero mango sauce. So let's go. So let's go to the blender. There goes my habanero pepper. My mango cubes, carrots, garlic, onion, rice wine vinegar, my salt to taste, sugar for tasting, water, lemon, then I blend. After blending, I pour in my small pot, which I'm putting on the stove. I will cook this for 20 to 30 minutes to get the content reduced. The sauce has to be reduced and the vegetable have to be cooked. Now it's a little bit thickened. I'm waiting for the content to be boiled, the vegetable to be boiled, and for the content to be thickened. Now it's done. Just to let you know, the carrot gives this sauce the body, and the rice vinegar and garlic give it the acid taste, and the sugar and salt is for taste. Now it's cool off. I'm pouring it in my pitcher to be able to handle it better. Now I can pour it better. Now I'm pouring in my small mason jars for presentation. It really tastes good, but it's hot. If you don't like heat, don't try this. Just want to take a minute to thank you and appreciate you for staying with me during the cooking of this habanero mango pepper sauce. I really appreciate you. Thanks for all you do. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I have a new video. Don't forget to subscribe. By subscribing, you are telling me that you like what I do, and that will encourage me. Love you, love you, love you. Thank you for watching my videos. Till next episode, this is your chef, Yemis. Love you so much. Don't forget, in Yemizkitchen, happiness is a choice. Choose to be happy. Look at the cup, always half empty. Love you, love you, love you.